Hello guys, and welcome to this channel rather video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Leonardo AI as a graphic designer. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the website Leonardo AI and click on real-time canvas or the canvas editor. So once you click on the real-time canvas, it brings you to a web page like this, and all you have to do is to start generating. I am no graphic designer, so I don't even know what I'm doing here, but this is just for people who are graphically designed graphically inclined and want to do something very similar to that. So we can also choose the canvas editor where we can upload an image here and click on text, and we can add and edit it, but this will take 8 tokens, so it all depends on you. But it seems this Leonardo, what this real-time canvas does is that it takes whatever you've drawn here and tries to create a very real-time image of it on the right box here, and you can also input a prompt below and give it creativity strength. You can also choose the type of presets. You can choose cinematic, concept art, depending on what you want. So thank you very much, and you have a great day.